Guys, we're at the next part of Ratchet and Clank Into the Nexus. As you can see, we're in the sewers.
Mr. Zurkon does not provide votes. His currency is paid.
Yep, I like that line. So, do any of you guys agree that Mr. Zurkon's one of the best Ratchet and Clank weapons? I thought the Gags bots were okay, but I don't know, Mr. Zurkon just has that flair that most other weapons don't, and it's probably because he's the only weapon that talks, you know? So, he's one of those special weapons. He's been in almost every game. And really, the only weapon that got close to being in almost all the games was the Combustor and the Groovitron. The Groovitron was a pretty good weapon, you know? Not a music fan, but it was pretty good and effective. I like that weapon. And, oh no, run for your lives. The war's gonna get us. Come on, you're almost there. I made it. Yeah, oh yeah. My birthday.
I hear that Lombax is sneaking around here.
Okay, do I have enough bolts for... Almost got enough for the nether blade, so I think I'll wait a bit.
It's Ratchet.
Yeah, I'll save for the nether blades, because I love that weapon. Fusion bomb. Do your magic. Plus, with Mr. Zurkon, if you upgrade him fully, you don't even have to do much of the work, really. Which I like that, you know? Oh, shut up. Okay. Some more. Oh, this Zurkon's gone. Better get some more. Okay. Do your magic, Mr. Zurkon, and I'm gonna run. Oh. That's kind of awkward. Next time I'm not going head on like that. Alright.
I hear that Lombax is sneaking around.
I wonder if I have enough yet.
It's Ratchet. Go introduction.
Yeah, person can dream, right? Okay. Also, the nether blades, to me, basically replace the dual Omni Blasters, or what it originally was, the Omni Blasters. I don't know. I like the blade weapons a lot, because, you know, on hero mode, that's probably the only weapon I use other than Mr. Zurkon. With me on whenever I do challenge mode or hero mode on Cracking Time, or any other games, you know. Unless I run out of ammo. That's most of it. I better use the temporal repulsor, not waste the ammo, you know? Upgrade it. So, I better get Mr. Zurkon too, you know, kind of be fair. I mean, he's one of my newer weapons, so I think he deserves it, but the shotgun's one of my older weapons, and it hasn't even upgraded that much, so I think it deserves a little bit more upgrades. Also, once I get to the next weapon vendor, I'll probably have enough for the nether blades and enough to upgrade, so seems good so far, and oh, I'm out. Okay. Oh my goodness. Die. Trust me, guys, this level is pretty difficult. Ah! Get out. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna have to use these for now. Just for now, because I can't use the shotgun at that type of range, you know? Now, I don't know why, but some people don't like games like this. Some. Not everybody.
Did you know he's never lost a fight?
And you know, if anybody thinks because I'm a fan of Ratchet and Clank that I don't like it, that no. Just because nobody likes a Ratchet and Clank game doesn't mean I hate them. And right through the graph stream. Calm and peaceful, and oh my goodness.
We're almost ready. Do you think Mr. Honor will be hungry when he gets here? I suppose we can just feed Pollux to him.
Vendra, don't do this. Just think, if this creature cares so much about you, why did your parents send you here?
Don't try to trick me. It won't work.
You know, I think maybe she could feed Pollux to him, except he's too wimpy, you know, to really work. And I mean, I'm not spoiling it, but I'm just saying, he's creepy. You may have saw the eye, but when you see the creature without the eye, he is not a funny creature. He is not silly at all. He is just creepy. And he speaks like Soba Tasa, Lala, Soba Ta. In-laws. I like that joke. That's pretty good. Okay. Come on, Mr. Zircon, work your magic. You need a little upgrade, my friend. Oh. I'm literally threatening. I'm literally it's like committing suicide, just throwing that water out. Come on, run. Run, run. It's coming closer. Okay. Okay, got enough for the Nether Blades. Guess I'll get some upgrades. I think Mr. Zircon might need some. Yeah, I need him to stay longer. That's the thing I need him for, you know? Okay, I think that's good enough. I'll upgrade this a little bit. And I'll get this there we go. Now I think maybe I'll save the rest for I'm gonna make the Omni Blaster, you know, not worthless, you know. Okay. Oh, I forgot about you. Sorry, Shotgun, I'm gonna have to upgrade this thing. Or, yeah, I'm gonna have to upgrade the Temporal Repulsor later. And yeah. Sorry, Omni Blasters, but you've just been replaced. The Nether Blades. Ba-bam. Wait, let me see if it still works. Oh, no. Oh. It doesn't work too well. But come on, Nether Blades, show your magic. Papa like you, Nether Blade. Papa like you a lot. Now, come on, help me take these things out. And it's not really helping too much. I can't believe it. It's not helping too much, really. Okay, I'm trying to upgrade Mr. Zircon so I can get Little Zircon and Mama Zircon, basically. And there's a cool thing you can get with your weapons in hero mode, where it's just like Ratchet and Clank 1, basically. I like that. It's pretty cool. Oh. Okay, I think I'll use this to help me a little bit. I just wasted its ammo. Sorry, Omni Blasters, but this will probably be the last time I use you guys. Come on, give a silent thought to the poor little Omni Blasters for its last time of being used. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. Oh, I wonder if this works. If I do it. Oh, it does work a little bit. I don't know. Oh, I better use these. It might help. Yeah, that helps a lot. Okay. Not bad for a thug. Get it? Because you're a thug. Okay, guys, I'm probably, once I get up there, this will probably be the end of this part. Oh, no. Well, guys, see you at the next part, where I'm gonna drown. Oh, no. Dies to theme.
That was a close one, huh?